What if you could be part of something big before it even launches? Imagine being at the forefront of a revolutionary product, a product meticulously crafted over a span of 15 long years, a product that has seen more than a year's worth of tireless effort from a dedicated team to bring it to life, a product that every online marketer will soon consider indispensable. This, dear listeners, isn't a mere figment of imagination. It's a reality that's about to unfold. Picture the scene when word gets out. A frenzy will ensue. Online marketers will clamor for it, the demand so high that it threatens to crash the servers. A phenomenon seldom seen in the industry, a testament to the product's potential and appeal. But how does one become a part of this success story? Well, it boils down to being well-informed and timely, and today you have the advantage of both. A fleeting 10-day pre-launch window is all you have. A window to secure your spot without spending a penny. A window to learn the ropes, to prepare yourself to reap the rewards of early placement. A window to build your team before the product hits the market. So embark on this exciting journey. Don't miss out on this unique pre-launch opportunity. Secure your spot now. Your future self will thank you for this wise decision. Find the link below and let the adventure begin.